Iman from Pakistan.
Hello?
Yes, Iman.
Like yesterday, my mother went to a man who is a soothsayer. Now, I was forced to go there, but the main problem is that that man said that I have to go there every week for treatment or some kind of like. My mom and my dad believed him. Now, I know it's shirk. I don't want to go there, but problem is that if I keep on resisting it, my mother will verbally abuse. She is verbally abusive, and she will at the end or at the beginning, she will beat me to the extent that I will be forced to go there, and I will not be able to praise Allah secretly, and I will not be able to. It will be difficult for me to gain Islamic knowledge. What should I do in my situation?
In Islam, it is shirk to go to soothsayers and believe them. And when a person says, as you've claimed, that your mom is going to beat you up and physically abuse you and threatens you with such acts, and she actually does it. She does beat you up, and this is not a threat. In this case, you are forced to go. You can go. Don't consume anything. Don't eat anything. When you go there and he does what he does in their presence, you recite Ayatul Kursi, the last 2 ayahs of Surah Al-Baqarah, recite the last quls, and verbally say it, so it counters whatever he's doing, and may Allah make things a way, may Allah make a way out for you, even by marriage. So try to get married as soon as possible.